Music. Thanks for coming to Ross's. My name is TR. I got Jesse, imaginary Jesse, and imaginary Scott Powers on the harp. Jesse Ellis is on the lead guitar. They're not here yet. Should be another, 20 minutes. And we'll start the official live concert here at Ross's. This next one is called You Control Me, so I hope you enjoy it too. A little slower, and hope you like it. You control me in everything I do. Then you hold me, and everything's brand new. And when I'm gone today, without you by my side, while you've been away, there ain't nowhere to hide from your memory. It keeps me hypnotized, with or without you. You control me. You're the soul of me. You made my life complete. And you're the whole of me. But some things aren't for keeps. And since you've been away, the joy of life has too. I may be here today, but it's all that I can do to get myself to say there's a love for this here fool. But I won't be fooled again, 'cause you control me. You control me. You control me.